Welcome back to SoCal Outlander ATV, where we're bringing you a quick installation video today, not to my quad, but to my personal Dodge Ram truck. I decided to bite the bullet and purchase the Kolpin lock-it-rite ATV hitch system. You can watch an installation and review video of that here. However, in order for that system to work, I'm going to need a truck hitch, which my 4th gen Ram does not have. So without further ado, let's get to it. This is the Tiger Auto hitch receiver. I'll leave the purchase link down below for those of you interested. This mounts on your factory rear bumper with minimum tools and experience needed for install. The kit includes a one-piece welded hitch assembly, mounting hardware and instructions, and a bonus hitch cover. Here are the tools needed for the install. The first step is to temporarily secure the hitch assembly to the rear bumper. This will be held in place by this flathead socket cap screw that will go through the tow hitch ball hole. Slide the hitch assembly into place on the rear bumper. The top socket head screws should align and screw right in over the top. We want to secure the hitch assembly from the back using two M14 bolt plates. For these bolts, we'll be using a fish wire to pull them through the inside of this tube and pull them out of these bumper holes that align with the hitch assembly. I'll show you how the fish wire technique works. Once you run the fish wire out the tube ends, you're going to be screwing the twisted side of the wire onto the bolt plate. Twist it down far enough to not get undone, because if you're pulling the fish wire and the bolt happens to fall off inside the tube, I have no way of telling you how to retrieve it. We'll start with my left hand side. Slide the fish wire, twisted side first, into the holes aligned on the hitch assembly and bumper. When the wire comes out the end, make sure to screw the bolt plate through the end hole, as you can see here, and not the hole facing the ground. The bolt plate will not fit through the bottom facing hole. Slowly pull the fish wire until the bolt pulls through its location in the bumper and hitch assembly aligned holes. Leave the fish wire on the bolt in case it falls back in while fishing the opposite side bolt. Repeat these steps for the right side. Remove the fish wire from the bolt carefully. We can now secure both bolt plates into place. Place the flat washer first onto the bolt, followed by the lock washer, and then screw on the M14 hex nut. Repeat the steps for the other side. Lower the spare wheel to make torquing these bolts easier. Specifications ask for 100 foot-pounds of torque. Proceed to torque the flathead socket cap screw installed earlier with the 12mm hex bit socket. Specifications ask for 250 foot-pounds of torque. Unfortunately, I do not have a torque wrench to those specifications, so I made a quick drive to my cousin's house that's a mechanic. As you can tell, a good amount of force is needed to get to 250 foot-pounds of torque.
Oh.
Now it's time to put the finishing touches. The Tiger hitch includes one hitch cover to protect the receiver tube when not in use. I also bought this OEM towing ball plug hitch cover that goes on the rear bumper. However, as you can tell, I'm not sure if it's misaligned, but the cover does not go on. I read in the product reviews that others are having this same issue. Let me know your feedback or suggestions in the comments section. This hitch is rated for 6,000 pounds trailer weight and 600 pounds tongue weight, according to the manufacturer. This is a quick and easy DIY install and is a great product that won't break the bank. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more off-roading content. Thanks for viewing this video and channel support, and we'll catch you on the next one, here at SoCal Outlander ATV.